So what happened was that I was coming from the gym, walking home, and this happened. So I chipped my front tooth, and it's really hard too. I can whistle like that, but it's very nasty. I'm going to the dentist right now, and I want to see if I sound any different when I come from the. At least I can hear that when I do like this sounds. So F sounds very different, at least. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, just got off the dentist. Everything looks fine. So, apparently I sound a bit different now, which is good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.